Want to securely connect external apps to your WordPress site using the Wordfence plugin? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to generate an application password for Wordfence, making it easy and safe to authorize things like mobile apps or automation scripts, all without exposing your main login credentials. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up and manage application passwords with confidence. Let's jump right in. Before we start, make sure Wordfence is installed and set up on your WordPress site. Once that's ready, you'll need to generate a new application password. This is a special password that you give to apps or scripts which need to talk securely to your site. It keeps your main WordPress password protected, and you can easily revoke it later if you need. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Up at the left, you'll see a menu. Click on Users. Now you might see Profile, or if you have multiple users, click on All Users and find your own username. You want to land on the page that shows your user profile settings. This is where all the magic happens for application passwords. Once you're in your profile, scroll down, sometimes quite a bit, depending on what plugins are installed, until you find a section labeled Application Passwords. Don't worry if you don't see it instantly. Just keep scrolling, as it's usually near the bottom below your biographical info and plugin options. If this section isn't there, double-check that Wordfence is active and that your account has the right permissions. Sometimes only administrators can create application passwords, so make sure you're logged in with the right role. Now, in the application passwords area, there's a field where you'll enter a name for your new password. This name is just for you. Think of it like a label, so you know later what you created this password for. For example, if you're setting up the WordPress mobile app, you might call it Mobile App. Or if you're giving access to a Python script, you could name it Python Script. This little detail is super helpful when you're managing multiple application passwords. Imagine it like giving someone a key to your house, but writing their name on the keychain so you know who's using which key. After you've entered a name, click the button that says Add New Application Password. Now, WordPress immediately generates a brand new password for you right there on the screen. Pause for a second, this is important. The password is only shown once. Copy it right now before you do anything else. Open up Notepad, your password manager, or wherever you keep secure credentials and paste it there. If you navigate away or close the page, you won't see it again unless you create a new one. If you're connecting an app, paste this password when it asks for your application password. If you're using it for a script, plug it into your configuration settings. And remember, this password does not replace your main WordPress login, it's just for the app's connection. If you ever need to revoke access, simply come back to your profile, find the list of application passwords at the bottom, and hit Delete, next to the one you want to invalidate. And that's it, you've securely set up a WordPress application password for Wordfence. Easy, right? If this helped, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into trouble. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tutorials and tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.